Hello, amazing seniors. Think push-ups are just for the young and spry? Think again. Today, we're diving into Push UPS for seniors. Stay fit at any age, because strength, mobility, and confidence don't have an expiration date. Push-ups are a fantastic way to keep your upper body strong, your bones sturdy, and your spirit high. No gym, no fancy equipment, just you and a little determination. Whether you're 60, 70, 80, or beyond, this guide's for you. Let's explore how push-ups can fit into your life and keep you thriving, gently, safely, and with a smile. Why Push UPS for seniors? Push-ups aren't just about flexing muscles, they're about staying independent. They strengthen your chest, arms, shoulders, and core, helping you lift groceries, get up from a chair, or hug your grandkids with gusto. For seniors, they boost bone density, improve balance, and keep joints moving, all key to aging well. Plus, they're adjustable. No matter your fitness level, there's a version that works. You don't need to be a fitness guru, just willing to try. Let's see how push-ups can be your secret weapon. Benefits tailored to you. Strength: stronger arms and chest make daily tasks, like pushing a door or carrying a bag, easier. Bone health: weight-bearing moves like push-ups fight osteoporosis. Balance: a solid core from push-ups helps prevent falls. Mood lift: exercise releases feel-good vibes. Hello, energy boost. No gear needed, do them at home, anytime, your body's the only tool. Before you start, safety first. We're keeping this safe and comfy. Listen to your body. Check in: if you've got heart, joint, or back issues, chat with your doctor first. Start slow, no rush, ease in with gentle moves. Surface: use a firm spot, carpet, rug, or mat for cushioning. Warm up: always prep your muscles, cold joints don't love surprises. Ready? Let's build a senior-friendly push-up routine. The Senior Push-Up Routine. This plan's designed for beginners or seasoned seniors, simple, scalable, and no equipment needed. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions a week, 10 to 15 minutes each, with a rest day between. We'll start easy and grow from there. Step 1, warm up, 3 to 5 minutes. Loosen up, get those joints happy. Arm swings: stand, swing arms gently forward and back, 30 seconds. Shoulder rolls: roll shoulders forward 10 times, then back 10 times. March in place: lift knees slightly, swing arms, 1 minute, nice and easy. Wall Push UPS: light hands on wall, lean in slow, push back, 8 reps. Feeling warm? Great, let's push. Step 2, the Senior Push-Up Lineup, 8 to 10 minutes. 3 gentle variations, do them in order: rest, repeat. Adjust to your comfort. Wall Push UPS, easiest start. How? Stand arms length from a wall, hands at shoulder height, lean in until chest nears wall, push back. Why? Super gentle, builds chest, arms, shoulders without strain. Perfect first step. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Tip: stand closer to the wall if it's too hard, further if it's too easy. Incline Push UPS, step up. How? Hands on a sturdy surface, counter, table, high chair, feet on floor, lower chest to edge, push up. Why? A bit more challenge, strengthens arms and core, still joint friendly. Do 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps, rest 45 to 60 seconds between sets. Tip: higher surface equals easier, try a lower one, like stairs, as you get stronger. Knee Push UPS, next level. How? Knees on floor, pad with a towel if needed, hands under shoulders, lower chest, push up. Why? Half the body weight builds strength safely, preps for full push-ups. Do 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps, rest 60 seconds between sets. Tip: keep a straight line from knees to head, no hip dipping. Step 3, cool down, 2 to 3 minutes. Wind down, keep those muscles happy. Chest stretch: hands clasped behind back, lift slightly, hold 20 to 30 seconds. Arm stretch: one arm across chest, pull with other hand, hold 20 seconds per side. Gentle twist: sit, twist torso side to side, 5 slow reps each way. Done? You're a star. Sample routine flow. Here's how it looks. Warm up: 3 to 5 minutes, swings, rolls, march, light wall push-ups. Wall Push UPS, 3x8-12, rest 30-60s. Incline Push UPS, 3x6-10, rest 45-60s. Knee Push UPS, 3x5-8, rest 60s. Cool down, 2 to 3 minutes, stretches. Total, 13 to 18 minutes, short, doable, powerful. Progressing as a senior. You'll get stronger, here's how to grow. More reps, wall push-ups at 12? Aim for 15 to 20. Same with incline and knee. Lower the angle, on incline, try a lower surface, bench to stairs, as you feel ready. Test full push UPS, after weeks of knee push-ups, 10 plus reps easy, try one full push-up, feet down, plank style. One's enough to cheer. Stay steady, progress slow, your body's wise, not rushed. Tips for seniors. Form matters, straight body, even if it's wall or knees, quality builds strength. Breathe easy, out on the push, in on the lower, keeps you calm and strong. Comfort first, joints creaky? Stick to wall or incline. Knees sore? Pad them. Buddy up, do it with a friend or grandkid, makes it social and fun. Listen in, tired or achy? Rest. Fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. A senior success story. My 68-year-old neighbor, Joan, started with wall push-ups, 10 was her max, and she laughed at how wobbly she felt. A month later, she's at 15 incline push-ups, saying her arms feel alive again. She lifts her gardening pots without a grunt now. Me? I tried knee push-ups with my 75-year-old dad, he hit 6 and grinned like a kid. Seniors rock push-ups, you're next. The payoff. This routine keeps you fit at any age. Stronger arms for lifting, a firmer chest for posture, a steady core for balance, plus that I did it, glow. Imagine pushing up from a chair with ease or playing with the grandkids longer. No equipment, no barriers, just you, staying vibrant. Your challenge. Try one push-up today, wall, incline, or knee, your pick. Do 5 to 10 reps, rest, feel it out. Wall too easy? Step to incline. Incline a breeze? Test knees. Tell me how it feels, what's your age, your vibe? This Push UPS for Seniors plan proves fitness is timeless. Let's stay fit, together, at any age, go for it.